the resident is here with me. I'm going to try to film this. But here's what I got here. This thing is pumping heat when the compressor comes on. Thinking the reversing valve is screwed. So what I'm going to do is let it run a little bit. Pop it over to heat. See what happens. This wiring right here is not color coded to the correct colors. Common is blue, which is, nah, that's fine. Red though, however, is hooked to black. The fan, the green, is hooked to green. Okay. W2 is hooked to white. Yes, that's W2. W1 is hooked to yellow. I mean, Y is hooked to yellow. Or W1. And then B is hooked to brown. Kind of weird, but that doesn't really matter right now because see, I have it on manual mode, so it doesn't really matter, and it's still doing what it's doing. So what I need to do is pop this over maybe to heat, and it will do a kadoosh. Let's see what happens. It did not do the kadoosh. It's 80 something degrees in this apartment, so we'll go up to 85. I hear the fan doing what it's supposed to be doing. So I don't think she has a broke fan blowing. But what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna cut the master off. And let's see. Give it a second. And what we'll do is we'll hold off. And we'll flip the master switch on till that lights up. I've never got that before. That's brown out. Hold down off. Flip the switch. Oh, I didn't do it. What the hell? Something's not working. I'll plug it. The off button. Turn off. There we go. There we go. Maybe that worked. Valve ain't changing. Ain't coming. Alright, let's get some tools out here. This chip right here is the same thing that's in my Arduino at home. Control my Christmas lights one year. That chip right there. Ain't that something? Caps look okay. Don't mean nothing. Go get a prober. Turn this. Alright. Thinking we got a reversing valve problem. It's not energizing. None of this matters because it's unplugged. It's still blowing heat. I got a solenoid in my office I could probably use. We'll try that. Let's test it first. Let's test. Ohms. Take this off. Then there should be one on the common, on the cap here. There it is. It comes off. 19 and 20. Alright, there we go. Let's see what we get. It's a little sporadic. What the hell? 1 kilo ohms. Almost 2. Mega ohms, kilo ohms. Well, let's see what I got downstairs. That's too much. Alright. Let me take it out. Yeah, things are getting moist. Ugh. This reversing valve is not energizing. See if we can get this to slides right off. Should come right out. Let's see in a bit. Can't figure out if I got one of these. Goodman. Okay. Top on it. Alright, let me see if I got another solenoid. Turn this back off. Destructive material. I got one. This unit's been stripped a little bit. Hell yeah, boy. That's what I need right there, that little reversing valve. Right there, we're just gonna take that reversing valve off of this one. I mean the solenoid, not their whole damn reversing valve. Obviously. Alright, we'll just take the reversing valve off. Like that. I'm gonna go get my my screwdriver. Left it up in that woman's unit. But on a serious note, guys, this is my lunch. This is how Jeffrey takes lunch. He does it on the go.
There. I'm all bad! That hurt.
You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers satisfies.
I'm not myself when I'm hungry. That's moist. So let me take this one off, and then we'll go slam it on there and see if that fixes our problem. Usually takes it a minute. It's on its delay, so we'll be back in a bit. That didn't work. Let's go try that. Just one of my instincts. My instincts. Control board's not doing anything. Energize and cooling is these units. Dangerous to do, but we'll do it. Okay, do not try this at home. Well, we're still going to short out everything. I need to be able to measure it. Let's plug it in. Cool. Gotta hold this up. And hear that tick. Over here. Careful what I touch. Lip. Oh my god. Not the recommended way of doing this, but it's the only way. Meter up there so I can see it. .121 volts going through the reversing valve. But I ain't doing that. So it ain't the control panel. I'm not hearing that thing go kadoosh or anything. Probably what I need to do is take it down. Now that buzzed a little bit. Nah. I'm gonna end up breaking my own wire. Energized and cooling. It's hard, man. Doggone it. These units are energized and cooling, trust me. I already know. And it is energizing, but it's blowing heat. Okay, guys, I couldn't explain it to you because the resonance behind me, that's why I'm whispering most of the time. At this point in time, I'm thinking, let's just change the control board. Maybe something's cracking up on it or something, making that relay slip in and out, or it's not, you know, stuff. I'm checking voltages here just to make sure, you know, residual from capacitors or whatever might hit off on it. But I had to stop because I couldn't talk very much, but we're going wire for wire here. This is the best way to change out a circuit board, because, yeah, I mean, if you do it enough, you'll learn, you know, exactly where these wires go. I have stripped all the wires off the board. It's not like bragging rights or anything. I usually do the first 3 like I just did there. But guys, seriously, just do it wire for wire, just so you don't get messed up. Because if you mess something up, you're gonna blow out a board that's $200 something. This is not a brand new board. This is a used board, so I don't even know if the board's good or not. But I did test it later with my meter and was like, okay, well, the solenoid's energized. The solenoid was energized. I asked people on Facebook on the HVAC. Thanks, Zach, for setting up that little, you know, that actually pretty big thing, because I got like, I don't know how many comments in an hour. It was my phone started going cling, 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 and I had so many people saying, put a magnet on it, tap it with a hammer. I already tried tapping it. Somewhere in the video I did that. I was banging around on it. I was just getting frustrated with this thing. You know, it's an $800 PTAC. It's not like, you know, it's expensive for us, our business, but this still is, like, seriously. The daughter's behind me right now, actually. And she's talking, and when is this gonna be fixed? Blah 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 blah. I'm like, hey, I'm working on it. God damn it, you know, in my head. So I had to mute this part of the video anyway. So this was Saturday morning. She came back on Tuesday, which is well, it was yesterday, due to this video being uploaded. For me, it was yesterday. For some of y'all, it'll be today. But anyway, it was Tuesday. It was 7/3/2018 when I uploaded this video. I was asking help off of you know, the Working Joe's you know, podcast and stuff, and not the podcast, but I'm sorry, the Facebook channel. I was like, hey, y'all got any tricks to doing that? And I took a microwave magnet, tried rubbing a microwave magnet on the thing after I did this, after I replaced these this circuit board. I do these all the time. Usually changing the circuit board will fix most of the problems, but I kind of already had in my mind, and I dropped you guys there, but I had it in my mind that if, you know, if I change the circuit board, I can eliminate the possibility of anything else going wrong, right? I mean, I've already tested with my meter. There's 121 volts coming out of the relay on the far right hand corner of the thing. That's the reversing valve relay. So you know, I was like, you know what, let's try a different control board, you know, let's do something here, give it all I got. You know, nothing I did actually worked. This is the first time I've worked on a PTAC and nothing has actually worked. This is the first time I've had a stuck reversing valve on a PTAC, actually. I've had compressor fan blades blow the hell up and stuff. They will shut down if you don't do the filters on them, if you don't wash off the filters and stuff. So it is what it is with these PTAC units. They're $800. The control board costs $200, so there you go. And then the wireless thermostat that you have to buy that plugs into the little black connector right there by the white connector. Well, it's somewhere around there. Well, those cost about $300. So there's no point in really doing any of this. This was a wired thermostat unit, but I factory restored it at the beginning of the video and everything. So guys, I thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is again another one where I had to just seal it up and say the hell with this, we'll get you a new unit. I then came back with a portable unit that we had and didn't waste my time on this anymore. I put one screw into this shroud just to keep it from you know, falling down and getting into the 208 volts leads that right there by the relays. You got to watch out for that too when you take these units apart. Start plugging it up, turn it on, and it does the same damn thing. I'm doing a system restore right here. Well, I'm actually changing it over to manual mode, which there I did. It's so quick and easy. I do it all the time, guys. So I want to see, and I'm feeling right now if there's heat. There was heat, and I am cussing up a storm right now in my head. I'm not really talking right now in the video because the like I said, the daughter and then a nurse came in and they were talking about personal information. That's why I had to like just mute the video. The unit was full of water, which surprised me, thinking that it might be freezing up, but then, you know, it's stuck in heat mode. I mean, it could just be something as simple as a bad thermistor or something, but usually it'll shoot off a trouble code and it will blink these trouble codes. And I went through the trouble code menu. There I am tapping on the reversing valve. I'm giving it hell because at this point I'm pissed. Like, it didn't do anything, blah blah blah. I'm like, come on, dude. Like, turn on heat. If I have to, I'll turn it on heat and it'll be in a cool setting, you know, as long as it's cooling. But that wasn't gonna work, not for these units. They're energizing cooling instead of heating, and it just makes everything so much more pain in the butt. So Amanda, if you're watching this, can you please just switch over your units? Maybe it's a design thing or something, but if you're watching this video, please switch your stuff over. Normally energized and heating. Everybody wants cool air. You can live without heat. You can always put stuff on, but you can't take enough stuff off. Live by that motto, guys. This pretty much wraps up this video. I'm gonna shove this thing back in the hole. My camera froze up for whatever reason, and somebody's talking to me at this point in time, actually, right now. But so I gotta leave you guys right here saying thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This unit was not fixed.
The beat drops out.